What's in the back? Furniture? What do you have?
Sometimes the biggest drug busts start with the smallest mistakes, like touching the lane marker.
How are you? Reason I'm stopping you is you were driving over the edge line. Want to make sure you're not texting and driving on your phone or anything.
No.
Where are you going?
So PA.
PA?
Yeah.
What do you have?
Wow.
What are you hauling?
I'm moving.
Oh, you're moving?
Yeah.
Can we look in the back?
Yeah.
You want to come back there with me?
No.
What's in the back? Furniture? What do you have?
Furniture.
Where are you coming from?
To Oklahoma.
Why don't put the stuff in the back of the U-Haul? You're coming from Oklahoma? Where are you going? I thought you said PA.
Inside, not a couch, not a dresser. Instead, nearly 700 pounds of marijuana sealed tight in bags and storage bins.
I gotta advise you of your Miranda warnings. You do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used into the court of law.
From Oklahoma to New York, this move didn't quite go as planned. One lane violation, one casual stop, one massive bust. Subscribe for more real-world cases just like this.